What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another very exciting episode right here on the MIgardener channel. In today's episode, we're going to be planting out our summer garden. I'm super excited about this because the season has come for us to plant out everything. And so we are going to plant out every single thing in our summer garden today. And we're going to do it with a twist. You see, I hear all of you that say, Luke, I wish you planted out your garden faster. You're so slow. Or Luke, I wish your videos were a little bit faster. You yap on. Not today. Because in today's episode, we're gonna be doing a speed challenge. For every minute that it takes me to plant out the garden in real time, I have to take off an article of clothing. That means that I am fully prepared to be gardening nude. Let's go. First, starting off with potatoes. We're gonna plant each one correctly. Just because it's a speed challenge doesn't mean it doesn't need to be done correctly. That also includes fertilizer. Oh shoot, fertilizer's far away. Okay, we're gonna throw our potatoes in the ground. Do I wanna do, I think I wanna do my trenches first. I think I wanna do my trenches first because if I don't, I'm gonna be running out of time. Okay, eyes up. There we go, spacing properly. We're spacing our potatoes about 4 to 6 inches apart. We're practicing organic, no-till potatoes here. That means we are putting them basically on the surface, allowing the roots to grow down, and we're growing them high intensity so that the leaves shade the soil.
1 minute.
Oh crap, 1 minute. Okay. Jacket's coming off. Okay, we are on a very busy road. If I don't finish in time, this is going to be embarrassing. All right. Potatoes, we're growing the red skin here. Red skins are kind of nice because you don't have to space them quite as far apart. We can grow a lot more of them, which is wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna get my fertilizer. These are heavy feeders, so we're doing a 1/4 cup per plant. I'm doing about, there we go. Oh no. Really? That was fast. Okay. Okay. Bet you didn't see that coming. The real question is, how many shirts do I have on? Next, we're planting zucchini. We have black beauty zucchini, my favorite. Gotta get some fertilizer. 1/4 cup into each hole. Go. All right. Moving on. Okay, up next, we're doing our basil. We're intercropping our basil with our tomatoes, which did get planted a couple days ago. Love intercropping basil. It's wonderful because it's 3 minutes already. Okay. Okay. All right. Basil gets about a 1/4 cup per plant. Moving on to marigolds. Love marigolds because they prevent pests like aphids, tomato hornworm, rabbits. Talk all about those in our videos. Those are great. Love some marigolds. These are French marigolds. I also really like some African marigolds too. All right, next. All right, and up next, got the Hale's Best Jumbo Cantaloupe, one of my favorites. Absolutely love these. Not able to plant all 4 cells out, so that doesn't really count that I can't use those all up. Those are extras. Let's move on to, what do we got next? All right, okay, we're moving on here to beans. I got some Blue Lake Bush bean. These are nitrogen fixers, so we don't have to give them that much fertilizer. They're just going to grow in this compost potting soil mixture I've got here.
4 minutes.
Oh, no way. 4 minutes already? I guess I'll take my hat off. Okay. All right, let's continue. Oh, no. Say this really makes me regret this challenge. I thought I had enough layers on, and now I'm really considering that I might not. I might not have enough. What's great about beans, you can space them so close together, which I love. Okay. All right, up next and last are the hardest, which are onions. Luckily, everything else got transplanted. So we are going to separate these onions out from their containers here. They've been growing multi-sown. I should not have taken time to weed. Okay. Make our rows. Oh man. Oh no. Okay, well I guess I'll take a shoe off. Shoe coming off. Okay. I feel like I can't I can't talk. I was going to be saying something, but now I'm so focused on getting this done that I don't even know what to talk about. So we're growing the Ailsa Craig, we're growing the ruby red onion, and we are also growing the Utah yellow. Those are the 3 varieties we're gonna be growing here in this garden bed. We're spacing our onions about 4 inches apart on center.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Great. All right. Another shoe coming off. I think this is the fastest I've ever planted on my garden. In fact, we should do this every year. Ow. Wood chips. Ow. There's no theater magic here, folks. None whatsoever. Okay. I honestly don't even know what variety of onion this is. I think this is the Utah yellow is what this is. Not right now, phone. My phone is ringing. Ow. All right, we're on the home stretch. We're on the home stretch. Oh no, where's my stuff? Frick. What are you? I already planted you. Dang it. No, no, no. Red Weathersfield, awesome. Okay, shoot, I'm out of space. Frick. We're gonna find room. I need these in my garden. I'm losing precious time. Where am I gonna put these? Oh, I'm panicking. Okay, just gonna, oh, shoot. I don't even know, just gonna throw a couple in. Okay, I'm just gonna put them in the centers. We're gonna do the diamond pattern like I talk about. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. Gotta get 2 rows of these planted. I need 2 rows of Red Weathersfield. Oh, there's no acting here. That was a big gaffe. I should have gotten my plants all sorted out. All right, so I'm putting these in a diamond pattern like a 5-eyed dice. It's such a great tactic to maximizing your space because they might be 4 inches on one side or 4 inches on the other, but when you plant them in the center, They're offset, which gives you more space. What time do we have?
3 seconds
3 seconds.
to 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Okay. Luckily, I saved the best for last. All right. So, if you guys thought that I was going to be naked gardening, you'd be wrong. We did it. I am very, very pleased with the results. We got a lot planted. I just want to recap here. We planted 5 rows of potatoes, 4 zucchini plants, 3 basil plants, 6 marigolds, a whole mess of onions. I don't even know how many I planted here. I got 5 rows of onions, 2 full rows of beans. I got the melons planted, and I also got something else. I got some other stuff planted. I can't remember. I planted a lot of stuff. That being said, I do know that it was a bit of a cheat because I did have a lot of stuff already planted. I had the beets planted. I had the tomatoes planted. I had our peppers. I'm still waiting on our peas to come out, but I did not plant cucumbers. So I couldn't fully plant our full summer garden, but I got us pretty darn close. And I'm really proud to say everything was done with proper spacing as it would normally. Everything's fertilized with the right amount as it would normally. So I'm pretty happy with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this kind of fun and humorous. And I also do hope that you're getting out into your garden and planting your summer garden soon. If you are getting ready to plant your garden, let me know what you're planting in the comments box down below. I'd love to know what you're planting right now. And also let me know what you're most excited about this year. You know, we plant out our garden every single year for all of you. And I'll admit, sometimes it does get a little bit repetitive. And that's why today's video was a little bit of a change. It was a challenge, it was fun, it was very real because I definitely could have been shirtless by the time this video was over, but I'm happy to report that it was not. So it didn't come to that. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you found some laughter and a smile in this, and we'll catch you all on the next episode. As always, this is Luke from the MIgardener channel, reminding you to grow bigger. Take care. Bye. Hey, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed, consider clicking this one. You'll probably enjoy it just as much. I want to thank you for your viewership because without it, this channel would not be as amazing as it is. Also, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free, and we upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. We also have vegetable seeds, fertilizer, or tools. If you need any of those, consider visiting MIgardener.com. Links will be in the description box below. We've got you covered. And as always, we'll see you all in the garden. Take care. Bye.